Hey, I'm Jessie Janae, and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox your favorite e-commerce brands, and instead of talking about their products, we talk about their boxes. Because here at Lumi, we make packaging, and we love a good unboxing experience. So let's look at my handy-dandy mailbox and see what's in there today. Interesting, interesting. Ooh, you guys, this is Glossier. If you haven't heard of Glossier, first, might I recommend internet, Instagram, all the places that you look for brands, go find them. It's a direct-to-consumer brand selling everyday cosmetics and skincare. So I'm really excited to examine how they're approaching their unboxing. What can we tell from the outside of this box? Well, they're going mysterious on us. When you get this and it's sitting on your doorstep, you go, boom, there's my Glossier. Am I hating on it? No. What I'm doing is letting you know that they're choosing to amp up the mystery by having the box appear normal. But is it? All you've got here is a typical corrugate box, but I can already see something. To a trained box eye, you can see here in the tab that there's pink on the inside. There's really nothing else going on the outside of this box except that I've got a shipping label. You just got some clear packing tape here. The other thing I can tell before opening it is this is packed well. There's nothing shaking around. Now I'm gonna open this, see what's going on under the hood, shall we say? At home, if you're a pedestrian, you could use scissors. Now, let's see what we've got going on. I'm gonna show you first. Is it cool? Is it cool? Is it cool? Yes, it is! I love the punch of color that you get immediately upon opening it. It's shiny. Do you see the shininess? How did they do this? Are they just magical people? Yes, they are. That's not how they did it. So it's called lithographic printing. It's a print process they use to print a sheet of paper, in this case, a shiny paper, and then that shiny paper is printed separately and bonded to the box. That extra expense pays off in shiny pink splendor. There's cool kind of hashtag branding. Also, skin first, makeup second, smile always. Woo! I really like skincare, and I like to feel like my makeup is enhancing what I do, not covering up my normal face. So I think that Glossier really gets that, and it comes through in the way that they approach their packaging, not just their products. We've got this. This is an iconic pouch that they have developed with a bubble surface here and then a zip top. These are not expensive materials, but utilized in a very custom way for Glossier, it's become an iconic pouch. You will see people talking about this pouch on Instagram. You will see people keeping this and using it to travel all around the world. They use several different sizes of the pouch. It is really admirable to make something iconic out of something so inexpensive and seemingly simple. Glossier is spending more actually doing product development than they are, getting you kind of a fancy like leather pouch or something like that. Well done on you, Glossier. Back to the box. Hiding under my pouch, stickers. They've got a little lipstick. I'm gonna put on my jeans. That's cute. There's another die cut out sticker too. A sticker sheet means that every component is actually die cut out so you can peel it off, but it's not a die cut sticker. So different. Both require custom tooling to produce. Give me a smiley face anywhere. On my cheek? Sure, why not? Then you've got your box. Now this is generally a normal mailer style construction with the exception of this lip. I think that it's nice because when the pouch is in here, I can more easily kind of grab it out. Just makes it easier for me to get the product out. I can tell right away that this box is only printed on one side. The fact that the flaps are not printed here and they're craft really makes that even clearer when you open the box. And I'm gonna actually take the box apart. Boom, this entire surface of this box has a litho lamination on it. You can also see that there's kind of a numbering system for these boxes, and this appears to be a number 2 box. I don't know all of their conventions, but it's kind of interesting to note that brands who wanna stay organized might be tucking a little bit of information about how their packaging program works under a flap or something. On the other side, nothing, just craft. They want this to just be a craft colored box. I would like to, for a sec, return to this and just investigate what's inside. Oh, okay, interesting. One, this is a collateral card that also includes a product sample on it. Product information about something that I actually didn't purchase and a sample. So they're actually putting marketing investment and showing me something that I didn't order yet because they're hoping I'll be bowled away, and I probably will. Other thing here that's cool is this pouch. So you've got the solution exfoliating skin perfector in here, and they're using this metalized pouch, and it's fully sealed. Kind of a cool complement to all the pink to have this kind of bright metallic surface. Even on this little guy here, it has a nice kind of UV gloss coat that says Glossier on it. So they're investing in kind of a little bit of shine across the board. The other thing about this pouch is that it's useful. Most of us ladies have a makeup pouch that we take around when we travel, or we just use at home to carry things around. This is something that fits perfectly with the product. It's something I can actually bring into my everyday life. Speaking of bringing things into my everyday life, as I mentioned, I'm a brand fan, and so this particular item didn't come with my order from today, but I already had it, and it's from ordering one of Glossier's phase kits. So when you order a phase kit, you actually get this beautiful rigid box. If you notice, that has a snappy, nice magnetic closure. This is something I use to just keep makeup in at home as well. So it's super functional, and I've kept it for months and months and months. It's not like this investment into materials and cost that ends up in a landfill. It's something that's just beautifully designed that I get to keep and use every day. All right, guys, I think it's time to roll in the recap. Glossier's packaging is many things, but I picked out a few attributes that I think really make it shine, and the first one is shine. So between the inside of the box, the UV coating on the logo, there's just a shine element carried through all their branding that I really appreciate and I think really elevates it. Also, it's iconic. It is truly iconic, and I think that is so hard to do as a brand and really create packaging elements that are made up of the normal materials that everyone else uses for their packaging, but turn it into something like the zipper pouch that people really use, share, and keep. And also, it's practical. What do I mean by that? Well, between the pouch, this box, things that I'll actually use again, they're shipping me packaging that isn't just packaging. It's stuff that has an actual use in my daily life. And then the outer box, it's something I'll recycle, but they're again being practical because by not branding the outside, it's going to highly reduce the chance of theft, which increases my chance of getting my stuff on time. Well done, Glossier. So without further ado, that is Glossier Unboxed.